Here's a very quick and easy chocolate chip cookie recipe.
It is very soft and chewy on the inside
and very crunchy on the outside. You want to save this video for later. The ingredients will be in the caption, so please read for the ingredients. So today I'm going to be using the melting method, so there's no need for a creamy method here. So this recipe requires 2 types of sugar. We're going to be using the brown sugar and granulated sugar. We're also going to add baking soda, vanilla, melted butter,
eggs,
and also all-purpose flour. You're going to mix to get everything fully combined, and afterwards, after it is fully combined, then we're going to go ahead and add our chocolate chip.
After adding the chocolate chip to the bowl, we're just going to fold everything in.
Ensure that you don't over mix the batter as well. Afterwards, I'm going to cover this container with a cling wrap and store it into the refrigerator.
I love chunky cookies, so I just take out the amount of dough that I like, roll it up and add it to my tray.
And you're going to add them to your cookie tray. You're going to bake at
175 to 180 degrees Celsius
for about 12 to 15 minutes. During this time, you can check to ensure that your cookies are not burning. They will seem underbaked, but they will be perfectly okay once you remove them from the oven and allow them to cool. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.